Right, welcome to another lesson in High School ICT. In this lesson I want to show you how we set up an HTML page. I use Notepad++ as my text editor software. That's what I use. So I just want to show you how we, first of all, how we use that, how we save. So I always go File, Save As, and then go to my folder and ICT Lesson 1, give it a name, and then always make sure that you choose Hypertext Markup Language File. Okay, so you'll scroll down, make sure that you choose that, click Save. Yeah, I've already got a copy. Okay, and then you want to go to View, make sure that you're on Word Wrap. The reason that I save it as an HTML is that I want it to be seen when I click Run, and this is in Notepad++. I want to launch it in Chrome, so I want my web browser to find it, and also it shows when I open a tag, close it, and close a tag. Okay, so I'm going to start off with, we always have this wording, this is not a tag, doc type. Okay, so that basically is just a declaration. It provides information to the browser about what type of document to expect. Okay, right, then we're going to put our tags in. So we always start off with and we have an angle bracket, and then we put our element inside, and that's my opening tag. And then if I go all the way down, I'm going to put in my closing tag and angle bracket, and then a forward slash, and then an element again. Okay, so you can see, and that's why I save it as an HTML file, so that I can see when it's open and when it's closed. Okay, then we have our head or header. You can put header, doesn't matter. And we use this for once again closing my angle brackets and closing my my tag, and that's a bit much. And the reason that I have the header is that I want to have a title. You can see our indent, our cascaded. If you look at any web pages, if you click on if you click on the elements of a web page, you will see how the HTML coding is cascaded. So title, and we're going to say ICT Lesson 1. And once again, if we open, we close the tag. Okay. Now we need to put in our meta tags. That's quite important. Okay. In the header, we're going to have the metadata, and the first thing we're going to put in is tab, and I'm going to put in meta equals char set equals quotation mark UTF-8. Okay, what's missing? Angle brackets, correct. Okay, there we go. Everything must be in angle brackets, and I'm going to simply Control C, Control Z. Okay, Control C, Control V, and over here I'm going to put in name and take out equals, meta name equals, and over here we're going to put in description. Okay, I'm going to explain what these mean in a minute. Description, content equals new quotation mark, new ICT HTML lesson. Okay, this is when the web browsers are searching for content. This is what they will look up. And angle bracket. Okay, and then we're going to copy this one. Control C. And over here we're going to have meta name equals author. So content equals Angus and angle bracket, and once again Control C, Control V, oh gosh, let's do that, Control C, Control V, meta name equals, and this one is very important as well, viewport. So I'm going to explain this to you in a minute. Going too quickly here. Width equals width device dot initial scale equals 1. Okay, and make sure that you know this coding. All right, so why do we use the char set? Basically it specifies the character encoding for the HTML document, and because HTML5 is what we're using, it's encouraging the web developers to use this character set because it covers basically all the characters and symbols in the world. Okay, then we have keywords which are used by search engines to determine what is in the document. I didn't put that in here. Description provides information for the search engines, and then the viewport, it's the area of the window in which the web content can be seen. Okay, and basically the browser will provide scroll bars for the user to scroll around and access all the content, because often it's not the same size as the rendered page that might be on your device. Alright, so that's in a nutshell. Very quickly, please know that in our next lesson I'm going to show you how we put things into our body, and that's the one tag that's missing here. So quickly before we say goodbye, we're going to have body, and this is where all the information that you see on your web page is found. Okay, and I'm just going to tab, and if we open body we need to close the body, and to close the tag we need to put a / there we go. Alright, and then I just click that little button to save. Till next time, take care.